Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to split screen on your laptop if you have Windows 11 operating system. It is very easy. First of all, you just need to hit right click on your start button, then click on settings. Then here we need to look for multitasking. Here you can see, just expand it. And now here you need to make sure that this snap windows option should be turned on. Now if I try to move my cursor over to this, we are able to get to see this option. So from here you can just split your screen into 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts depending on your need. I want to split it into 2 parts, and right here you need to select the window like where you want to see your current screen. I want to see it on the left side, so I can just click here. Then choose the window which you want to see on other side. I want to see Chrome, so I can just click on it. And yeah, you can see we got splitted our screen into 2 parts. Now if you want to split it in 3 parts or 4 parts, you can do this by following the same process. I'll just move my cursor over to this. Now here I'll just choose the suppose 3. I want my current screen on this area, so I'll just select it. Now choose the second window. I want to choose, let's suppose, my OBS. Okay, and third window is going to be my file explorer. And yeah, you can see we have splitted our screen into 3 parts. Now if you want to close this, then just full screen the window which you want to use at the moment. And yeah, it is that simple to split screen on your laptop in Windows 11 operating system. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.